Welcome! In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to add a contact shortcut directly to your home screen on Telegram. This is a super handy feature if you frequently chat with someone and want instant access without opening the app every time. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main chat screen. Next, find and open the chat of the person you want to add as a shortcut. This can be any individual contact you message often. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top of the screen and tap on your friend's name. This will open their profile page, where you can see more details and settings related to that contact. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 small dots. Tap on those dots to open a menu with more options. From the list that appears, tap on Add to Home Screen. Telegram will then prompt you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm, and that's it. The shortcut will instantly appear on your home screen, just like an app icon. Now, whenever you tap that shortcut, it will take you directly into that specific chat, saving you time and making your messaging experience faster and more convenient. This is especially useful if you have close friends, family members, or work contacts you communicate with regularly. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.